Welcome back everyone to the Theta Communications video series. Today we're going to be giving an update on the Theta Labs team. Before we proceed, let us thank our Theta stakers as well as our Tfuel stakers over on ThetaCommunications.com. You make this content possible, as well as make sure to like, share, subscribe, and comment down below to boost Theta related content in the YouTube algorithm. Alright, let's head on over to X here, and Mitch has posted out they are thrilled to join the Blockchain Association. So this is significant, especially as over the past few years there was a lot of stress. I really want people to remember the feeling pre this administration where crypto projects were really deciding if they would like to stay in America or if they need to maneuver to places like Singapore and varying other jurisdictions. So this collaboration with DC policymakers and really helping enable the regulatory framework as a builder in the space and as the organization that is building out the EdgeCloud is a major progression going forward. We also, remember, spoke about this in the USA DPIN Project's exempt video. As things maneuver forward, and from some of the comments that were made by varying other political figures, there is possibly a tax exemption for some of these USA-based crypto projects. So that's going to put Tfuel in the limelight, and then that's going to make Aether need to run on top of the Tfuel rails. And then there is our escape velocity that we have spoken about in the previous video. So things are all coming together. It's looking very, very good. Big shout out to Mitch and JE as well as the whole team for their work and the progression that they've been putting in for the entirety of the past few years. All right, so let's dive in. Let's go into the Blockchain Association itself. And really what this is about is tokenizing in America. So tokenizing in America is the stronghold and the glue that's going to be needed going forward, especially as the U.S. currently is importing a lot of goods from offshore, but we don't really export a lot. The majority of what we export is U.S. dollars, and even that business is dwindling as we shift away from oil being tandem with the U.S. dollar. So we're going to need a new business model to juice the economy and create new inflows into America. And what better way than to tokenize America and bring in new people to tokenize? So start a whole new innovator wave, and the Blockchain Association creating a scorecard for each state to really create the competitiveness on each jurisdiction is going to bring immense amount of pressure to each, and that's what's really exciting, because it means that we're going to be able to see who the trailblazers are, accelerators, initiators, and these states are going to witness this, especially as they look to compete for new economic drivers moving forward. There's a lot of projects, Samsung, Google, building data centers. And if crypto is a big piece of the data center flow, then therefore they are going to want to build in a jurisdiction basically that has access to those tax benefits, right? So there's going to be better incentives for the building, right? Whether it's tax abatements, other incentives as they proceed, but also they're going to need the transactional flows wherever that is the cheapest is where they're going to be engaging. So that is really exciting. These orange states right here are the trailblazers. That is very exciting for them. So there's going to be a large amount of building going on within these organizations, and these states are going to decide as things proceed if they would like to compete on the same level and if they would like to bring in that amount of economic activity. So we only see data centers and power generation exploding. So if there is a potential for any of that going forward, these states need to start competing as their own entities basically. So very exciting, especially as municipalities get really put under pressure with varying bond situations that are going on around the country right now. Really cool. Great to see that Theta Labs team is a part of this. This is a great progression for them, and JE and team are continuing to expand out utility with the EdgeCloud, and this is only going to expand from here. Things like preserving someone's identity and engaging with instant ID, just groundbreaking stuff that I am very excited about. They've really set the business model up in a beautiful way where they can keep incorporating new layers, and the compute is very modular with the new layers that are being added. And I can really appreciate that as a good base business model. They can change with the tide and keep maneuvering forward. All right, everyone. I hope you have found this video well. Please go check out our X account here. Please go support us as well as our YouTube. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. And as always, I will see you on Tfuel Island. Take care. Bye-bye.